When searching for the right tire shop, keep these important things in mind. Vehicle specialists say that tires are the single most important safety feature on your car, and yet tires can be one of the least understood components of your vehicle. The right tire professional can help you make sense of the many different types, brands, and qualities available to find the right tires for your car. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find the tire shop that is right for you. 1. Make sure the technician gives you a full range of price and brand options. Reputable tire shops won't try to sell you on the highest price tag tires. Always ask about available options within your budget. 2. A full-service tire dealer will carry a wide range of brand names and will be familiar with local weather and road conditions. Sometimes their recommendations are best. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right tire shop. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.